friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making canned tuna ceviche. For this easy recipe, we need 2 cans of tuna, 2 limes, olive oil, avocado, salt, cumin, tomato, cilantro, jalapeno, and red onion. So I'm going to start by draining this tuna. So I already opened the can, so I'll drain water out of the tuna. And now I'm going to add tuna to the mixing bowl. And next I'm going to mix up the marinade for the ceviche. So it's going to be limes and olive oil. So let's squeeze 2 limes. And to squeeze them, the easiest thing is just to cut them into quarters first and then squeeze. And so here's the lime juice. And I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And mix it together. And now I'm going to add it to the tuna and mix together. So now while I'm chopping the rest of the ingredients, tuna will be marinating in lime juice and olive oil to make it taste more like a ceviche. And now I'm going to chop the rest of the ingredients. So here's avocado. And to cut it into pieces, I'm going to first cut it in half. And I will just peel it. And the side of the avocado with a pit, I will take out the pit. now just cut it into small pieces. And now I'm going to add avocado to the ceviche. And mix it. So avocado is also coated in a lime juice mixture because lime juice keeps avocado from turning brown. And next I'm going to chop tomato. Now let's add the tomato to the bowl. And next I will chop cilantro. So the quantity is totally up to you. If you love cilantro, use a lot, and if you don't like it, you can just leave it out. And another option is to substitute it with parsley. And let's add cilantro to the ceviche. Next would be chopping the jalapeno, and I recommend wearing gloves when you chop hot peppers. So if you want it less spicy, use half a jalapeno. If you want it really spicy, you use whole. And if you want it mild, just leave the jalapeno out and don't use it. So totally up to you, depending on your preferences. So first you need to remove the seeds. And now I'm going to cut the red onion. We only need half. And finally, we need seasoning. So I'm going to add 1/4 of teaspoon of salt. And 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin. And mix everything together. And canned tuna ceviche is ready. Now, if you'd like it to marinate some more, you can just refrigerate it, and the lime juice should keep the avocado from turning brown, so it can be made ahead, or it's ready to eat right away. It's already flavored and marinated enough. So it's so easy to make, healthy and delicious. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. It's so good. It's super refreshing, so tasty, and it's full of flavor with lime juice, olive oil, and seasonings. You're going to love this canned tuna ceviche. So if you love ceviche, you don't want to use raw fish, this is the recipe. Totally safe, canned tuna, and it tastes awesome. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!